Want creamy, garlicky pasta in just 15 minutes? Let's make it happen. Fast, easy, and delicious. 200 grams pasta, any type. 3 tablespoons butter, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, chopped 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup, cream, 1/2 cup grated cheese, salt and pepper to taste chili flakes and herbs, optional. Boil pasta until al dente. Drain, keep a little pasta water. Melt butter, sauté garlic for 30 seconds. Add milk and cream, stir until slightly thick. Add cheese, salt, pepper and herbs, mix well. Toss pasta in the sauce. Add pasta water if needed for creaminess. Serve hot with a sprinkle of parsley or extra cheese. Quick, creamy and ready in 15 minutes. Like, subscribe and comment pasta for more easy recipes.